2025 is bringing back some of the biggest K-drama stars. From Hyun Bin to You, these actors are making their much-anticipated comebacks. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 returning stars. 10. Kim Go-yoon. Kim Go-yoon, known for her captivating performances in Goblin and Little Women, is set to return in 2025 with Two Women, a heartfelt slice-of-life drama about friendship, rivalry, and personal growth. The drama follows two women whose lives take unexpected turns when they are forced to confront their past choices. With Kim Go-yoon's natural ability to bring emotional depth to her characters, Two Women is expected to deliver a powerful and relatable story that resonates with audiences. Fans are eagerly looking forward to seeing her shine in this new role. 9. Kim Da-mi. Kim Da-mi, best known for her breakout roles in Itaewon Class and Our Beloved Summer, is set to make a thrilling comeback in 2025 with two exciting projects. First, she stars in Nine Puzzles, a high-stakes Disney Plus thriller where she plays a brilliant detective trying to solve a series of mysterious murders connected by cryptic puzzles. In addition, she will also take on a romantic period drama, 100 Memories, where she portrays a woman searching for her lost love in a beautifully crafted historical setting. With both action-packed and emotionally driven roles, Kim Da-mi is set to impress fans once again with her versatility and powerful screen presence. 8. Do Kyung-soo. EXO's Do Kyung-soo is making a highly anticipated comeback in 2025 with two intriguing projects that highlight his impressive range as an actor. In The Manipulated, a suspense thriller produced by Disney Plus, he takes on the role of a cold and calculating mastermind who manipulates people to achieve his own hidden agenda. Starring alongside Ji Chang-wook, this drama promises intense mind games and gripping storytelling. In contrast, he will also star in Secret Untold Melody, a fantasy romance drama where he plays a talented piano prodigy with a secret past. With these two vastly different roles, Dio is set to once again prove why he is one of the most talented idol actors in the industry. 7. Lee Yong-suk. After his outstanding performance in Big Mouth in 2022, Lee Yong-suk is ready to captivate audiences once again in 2025 with two major dramas. First, he will star in Sochodong, a gripping legal drama where he plays a ninth-year associate lawyer caught in a power struggle within a prestigious law firm. His co-star, Moon Ga-young, adds even more excitement to this highly anticipated TVN series. In addition to this, he is set to lead One Second, a supernatural drama adapted from a popular webtoon, marking his first ever fantasy role. With both projects showcasing his versatility, fans are eagerly waiting to see Lee Yong-suk take on new challenges in 2025. 6. Moon Ga-young. Moon Ga-young, known for her stellar performances in True Beauty and The Interest of Love, is set to shine in 2025 with two exciting dramas. In Sochodong, she portrays Kang Hee-ji, a sharp and principled second-year lawyer who works alongside Lee Yong-suk's character in a highly competitive law firm. Meanwhile, she will also take on a completely different role in Black Salt Dragon, where she plays Bak Soo-young, a resilient woman caught in a high-stakes conflict. With her ability to bring depth to any character, Moon Ga-young is gearing up for a year of unforgettable performances. 5. Kim Ji-soo. After her successful acting debut in Snowdrop, BLACKPINK's Kim Ji-soo is making a powerful return with not one, not two, but three major projects in 2025. She will first appear in Newtopia, a thrilling zombie apocalypse drama set to premiere on Prime Video on February 7, 2025. Next, she will star in The Prophet, an action-packed film alongside A-list actors like Lee Min-ho and Ahn Hyo-seop. Lastly, Jisoo will showcase her romantic side in Boyfriend on Demand, where she plays a woman who unexpectedly finds herself entangled in a contract relationship with a charismatic man, played by Seo In-guk. With such diverse roles, Kim Ji-soo is proving she's ready to dominate both the K-drama and film industry. 4. Yoo is finally returning to the small screen after 6 long years since her last drama, Hotel del Luna. In 2025, she is set to make a huge comeback with not just one but two highly anticipated dramas. First, she will star in You Have Done Well, a heartfelt romance set in the 1950s on Jeju Island, where she plays Ae-soon, a free-spirited woman chasing her dreams despite life's hardships. Starring alongside Park Bo-gum, this drama is already creating a massive buzz. Additionally, Yoo is confirmed to lead wife of a 21st Century Prince, a modern romance drama where she plays a wealthy chaebol heiress who unexpectedly falls for a prince from another era. With two major projects lined up, 2025 is set to be a defining year for IU's acting career. 3. Park Bo-gum. Up next, we have the nation's beloved Park Bo-gum returning to K-dramas after a 5-year hiatus. Last seen in Record of Youth in 2020, Park Bo-gum will make his grand return in the romantic period drama You Have Done Well. Set in the 1950s on Jeju Island, the drama tells the heartwarming story of Ae-soon and Gwon-sik, two individuals who navigate love and hardships. Park Bo-gum plays Gwon-sik, a strong yet emotionally vulnerable man whose love for Ae-soon remains unshaken. And guess what? His co-star in this highly anticipated drama is none other than Yoo, making this their first on-screen collaboration. 2. Sun Ye-jin. Following in her husband's footsteps, Sun Ye-jin is also making a much-awaited return. The Crash Landing on Your Star is in talks to headline Netflix's historical romance drama Scandal alongside Ji Chang-wook. This drama is a remake of the 2003 film Untold Scandal, which was originally set in Korea's Joseon dynasty. The Netflix version is expected to retain the same intense romance and betrayal theme, but with a fresh new historical setting. In addition to this, Sun Ye-jin is set to star in the suspense thriller film Can't Help It, where she will act alongside Park Hee-soon and Yoo Yoon-seo. It looks like 2025 will be a massive comeback year for the beloved actress. 1. Hyun Bin. First on our list is none other than Hyun Bin. While he's been busy dominating the big screen with his action-packed film Haban, fans have been eagerly waiting for his return to K-dramas. And in 2025, the wait is finally over. Hyun Bin will star in Made in Korea, a high-stakes political action thriller directed by Woo Min-ho, the same genius behind Haban. Set in 1970s Korea, the drama follows the intense rivalry between Ki-tae and Gen-young. With its gripping historical backdrop, pulse-pounding action, and a stellar cast, Made in Korea is already being hailed as one of the biggest must-watch K-dramas of 2025. While Disney Plus has yet to announce an exact release date, production is in full swing, and we can expect it to hit our screens sometime this year. Which actors' comeback are you most excited for? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more K-drama updates. See you in the next one.